Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, live from Total Value RV, as of right now, again. Folks, what we have here is we have a 2019 8529FLS. It's one of the new floor plans from Flagstaff in their classic super lightweight fifth wheel plan. Designed can be hauled by almost all half-ton trucks that are currently being built now. So let me go you around, we'll show you a little bit of what they got. First of all, we'll start here in the front cap. They give you a molded gel coat fiberglass painted front cap, which will give you a nice good protection. If you come on around here, guys, a lot of times I hear, well, I have a short bed, so I have to get the slider hitch. What Flagstaff has done for you is they've given you the Reese Revolution hitch. This here you can unhook some bolts in the back, and then this whole system will move, eliminating the need for a slider hitch. So that's going to save you about $500 in a hitch. So as you come on around here, guys, we're in the front. You have your lights here in the front for you. You open up this door here, we have some storage underneath here. Here's where we keep our battery. You also see they have the battery off and on switch there, so when you're not using it, you can just turn it to off. So that way you'll save your battery for you, okay? So you come on around the front here. Here we have for our landing control, so we can raise and lower these front landing jacks. Here you have for the docking lights in the front. Here's a nice thing for 2019. We have the solar panel here, which you can take and will plug in right here. It comes in like a little suitcase. We'll come out here, and then you can run everything inside the coach except for the air conditioner then off of the solar panel, okay? So we come on around. Come on over here, Mr. Cameraman. Sometimes he gets lost. We're in a little tight spot though too. In this FLCS, you'll notice we have the slide right here for you. This is all on your Schwintek slide system, which is real nice for you guys. Just make sure you're plugged in when you're using the system so you have full power. And you'll see these little teeth here. This will keep the slide system from getting out of whack or anything of that nature. So you come on around here, you have your Darko underneath here. Again, we're a gel coat fiberglass here, and we're all laminated. This is laminated. Another nice thing when you're out shopping around, guys, is the slide wall is actually laminated as well too. A lot of times your competition won't do that. So here we're on the off-door side. You have two 30-pound LP bottles with the automatic switchover. It'll run all of your LP appliances on the inside. Here you have your storage. One nice thing you'll notice is it's all the aluminum frame all the way throughout, even on the floor, and it's all welded together. Plus, when you're out shopping around, guys, take the time and just feel this door. A nice thick insulated with bead foam insulation baggage door. Nice solid shut there. Here we have the slide here. What you'll notice we've done for this slide is we have the slide topper, so when you put your slide in and out, that slide topper will go in and out, prevent any debris or anything of that nature from getting up there. So we come on around. Here you can see we have the aluminum rims all the way throughout that are nitrogen filled, so that way it's going to give you a smoother ride. The aluminum rims will also help with the ride. You also have your Dexter Axles on here, which have a 10-year limited warranty on it, and it's independent front to back and side to side. So if you go over a bump, you're not going to have this anymore. You're just going to have on the side that it happens to be on. Here you have for your winterization. When you go to winterize the coach, you just put your hose on here, put it in the antifreeze, turn the pumps on, and it'll run the antifreeze all the way throughout. Your city water connection is right here, so when you get your campsite, just hook your hose right up here, and then you'll have your fresh water all the way throughout. And then here's your black tank flush, which you can take when you're going ready to dump it. Put your hose on here, and it's got little sprayers inside the black tank, so that way you don't get any false readings. Down here then you have your dump. You got your gray and your black on both sides there for you. Here you can see we have another slide, which we also have the awning over the top of this one as well too. And then down here you have a place for some storage in the back here. Something new for 2019, guys. You got more pass-through storage in this nice little fifth wheel that you didn't have before. Okay? So we come to the back. You got your hot water heater, which is on gas or electric, so it'll run on either one. Here we have our 50 amp service right here. Nice thing too as well, guys, if you come out and you're camping, this little light on here, if that light's on, it means you're getting power from your source. If not, then it's if the light's on, you get power from your source, and there's something out there and you got a fuse or something that's wrong, otherwise you don't get power from the source. Your cable and your satellite hookups in the back. Again, your back cap is laminated, which you don't normally see with a lot of the competition. Back here you also have an attachment for your backup camera, which you can hook up on there. It's a wireless system, so that way you can see what's back here. Another nice thing you'll notice is the frameless windows. Two things it does for you. Number one, it covers all of your seals, so that way they're not going to discolor for you. And it also, if it's raining or whatever it is, it'll open up out this way so you can still have your windows open and get some airflow. You got your ladder that you can get up on the top. Your roof is laminated as well, so you can get up there and do your yearly maintenance. You have the TPO roof on the top, which has a 12-year warranty. This here is for your outside grill, which comes with the unit. This hooks right on here and will swing around to here. Okay, here we have the other side of our outside storage. A nice thing you'll notice, guys, is look, no clips, just the magnets. Boom. Okay, and again, listen how solid that is, guys. Okay, here we come around. We've got our patio awning, which what you can see, it is a power awning, which is adjustable for you too as well. Okay, then back here we have for our back leveling jacks here in the back, which are power as well. Okay, another nice thing that I like about this floor plan, guys. Okay, here is a place we can put our outside, another grill right on here, and then it's got a gas quick connect right down there. And then underneath here, pull out this little table, slide this out. Look at that induction cooktop, and a little workstation on this side. So that's kind of neat, guys. Comes right with it. Induction cooktop right on the outside. Because when you're camping, where are you going to spend most of your time? Outside, enjoying this great, beautiful country of ours. Okay. Another nice thing for 2019, the new aluminum steps all the way through. They're a lot stronger and they are adjustable, so you can adjust them to the height that you're at. Here again we have another slide. And again, guys, you're out shopping around, don't forget this is laminated, laminated here, and laminated here. 6-sided laminated. Again, you have your frameless windows here, which will open up here. Another nice thing on 2019, guys, you have the Forest River Wi-Fi Ranger. So this here, if you're at your campground and the Wi-Fi is a little further away, that'll help boost the signal so that way you can still get everything in there. Okay, so again, we have our awning here. Now we're on the door side, and there we have the window up top. Okay, so now would you like to take a look inside? I think you guys will like this floor plan. Another nice thing I want you to notice, look at the door, guys. It's extra wide. It's a 30-inch wide door, so that way it's easy for you to get in and out of the coach carrying groceries. And as you can see, look at these steps, how solid they are. Okay? So, as we come in, Mr. Cameraman, look what we have here, guys. A couple nice things. You just walk in, you come to your right, you got your kitchen, you got solid surface kitchen countertops all the way throughout. Look at all of the cabinet space too. Hardwood raised panel doors all the way throughout. You have a nice little pantry here. Some more storage there. More storage here. And look, you have 3 drawers here. Nice thing on these drawers, guys, are the soft latch drawers. You just get them so close, and then they'll come all the way in. We brought this in with the 9 cubic foot refrigerator with the raised panel refrigerator fronts on here. Another nice thing I like, guys, is on this dinette. It's a freestanding dinette, but a nice thing I like about it is look where it's at. What are you looking at when you're eating? Your patio. So that way you can see what's going on. Plus, if the neighbor's cooking something better, we don't need to know about that. Okay, so we can just enjoy our meal right here. Again, the nice big windows. You have the cross ventilation, the day-night shades all the way throughout. Have a nice light right here. We have the ceiling fan. This particular one, guys, we brought in with the 2 air conditioners. So you got a 15K air in the front and a 13.5 air in the back. Okay, so Mr. Cameraman, there's the front living area. Now let's show them the top here. Okay, go on up there. So guys, look at this front living room. What I really like about this is look at the seating space that you have. You can have 2 people right here, and these are both recliners, which you also have your massage chair right here. Have your lights underneath. You have a nice little couch there that'll pull out into a hide-a-bed, and look at your nice entertainment center right here as well too. Mr. Cameraman's trying to hold in tears so much. He loves it. Go ahead and take a seat there. So what's also nice about this floor plan that I like, guys, is the fact, look at your ceiling height. You got plenty of height. Remember I was telling you, you're out shopping around, do that. The laminated ceiling in the top. This is put together strong. Nice big TV up here. Some more storage here. So when you're camping, you're out in the front. You're sitting up front here, watching TV, enjoying time with family and friends. Okay, so let's go on back here. So normally when you're at your campground, your front is out here in the front by the road. Okay, so when you're going to go to bed, you'd like to have some quiet too, right? Yes. So we come to the back. This is your control panel for everything here, guys. You turn your power on, you can do your entry lights, check all your monitor panel right here. and you've got to do your slide rooms for your awnings in and out. And this can all be done right from an app too as well, which you can download at the App Store or at the Google Play Store. So that way you can have it all on your phone. If you want your slides, go in and out then for you too. Okay, right here you have your fuse box right there. So we come in here. Here we have a restroom. As you can see, we got a nice little sink right here, a medicine cabinet. We got the nice skylight right here. We have the fantastic fan right here for you as well too. So you can set it up, and it is a rain sensor. So here also we have air conditioning that comes in, and we also have a furnace that comes in. Your bathroom is set at a nice spot, so you got plenty of room here. You got some more storage here. And then here we have our shower door, our glass shower door, which opens up. Plenty of space in there for you. Okay. So we come on to the back. Now look at this. So when you're sleeping, you're at the back of the camper, away from the road. Less noise. Just something to think about. Okay? So here again we have our queen size bed, which is on a Serta mattress, so it's not just some cheap mattress, nice and comfortable for you. Windows on either side for the cross ventilation. Also here you have some storage under your bed. When you're out shopping around, guys, look at this. Most manufacturers, you look here, they do their bed frame, it's going to be in the wood. They're also going to do this in the wood. Flagstaff has gone ahead, and it costs them a little bit more to do it, but it's all in the aluminum framing. Does two things for you. It's a stronger build, plus it's going to take out some of the weight for you as well. Okay? So, you come on back here, we got our bedroom TV here. Here we got our nice little closet. And again, we have nice big drawers. And again, they're the easy latch drawers. Okay? So you got 6 drawers back here, storage under your bed, and then the closet as well too. So guys, 2019 8529 FLSC. How can you get a hold of us? We have a telephone. It's 866-282-4460. Or you can visit us on the web at totalvaluerv.com. Or you can come and see us just off of exit 92. You take 3 right turns in order to make the right decision. Guys, we want you to come here. Not only do I have fifth wheels, we're a full-line Flagstaff dealer. Got everything you could want from a Flagstaff. So come out and see us. It's where you come in as strangers and you leave as friends. One more thing, guys. Probably want to know this, but the weight of this coach as it sits right now, guys, is 9,179 pounds. If you're still with us, thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you.